Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Happy New Year 2021 and welcome back. Our name now is changed to Hobbies and Life Video. And for today, we're going to unbox Portal from Facebook. This is a smart video calling designed to fit your home with Alexa built in. And this would work with Messenger for video chat in Messenger and WhatsApp. It has a 10-inch display, and the Portal's camera automatically pans and zooms to follow the action. So connecting with loved ones feels like being in the same room even when you're far apart. So even when you're close by. I mean, my grandkids only live like 5 to 10 minutes away from us, and we still have to use our smartphones to do our FaceTime and also our Messenger video chat. But with the Portal, we experienced, because my grandkids had as a gift from their uncle Brian a Portal, and we've been using it for almost 2 weeks, I believe, and the resolution was really nice, and they don't go missing from the screen, which always happens when we're using just the smartphone. So when we are talking and they're going to get something, they're out of the screen. We can't see them. So now with the Portal, it follows them. So yeah, it pans and zoom and it follows them. So it is really simple to use. It's very user friendly. Like here in this part of the video, you can see the power supply. This is what you will use to make the Portal stand. And it doesn't just only make calls, it can display your pictures from your phone or from Facebook. Like you can choose all the pictures that you want, and it will play in the screen while you're not making calls. And like what I've said earlier, you can connect it to Alexa and you can just call by requesting it to Alexa. So yeah, even just setting up the account, you would just open and connect it to your smartphone, and that's it. You can make your calls. So not only does it have smart camera, it also has smart sound. And the smart sound enhances voices while minimizing background noise. And also you can experience more together, because with AR games, and also you can choose children's favorite characters while you read with story time. So like what I've said earlier, it works with Messenger and WhatsApp, and you can call other friends and family that has smartphones and not necessarily having Portal. So also it has ability to play music, so you can connect it to your music source like Pandora or iTunes, and it has very rich hi-fi sound. And also you can stay close even you're not talking to your family and friends by, like what I've said earlier, like, having their picture play in the background. And also you can play those pictures even your camera is off. Like you can turn off your camera if you're scared of privacy. Sometimes they were saying that they can see you when your camera is on. So even if you're not making calls, but you have the choice to have the camera and the sound off or the mic off, and still you have your pictures playing and also your music playing. So overall we're happy with it. You can see at the end of the video the resolution, it's really clear, and so far we're enjoying it. Hope you will like this video and share with your friends, because this is really a must-have now that we are far from each other and unable to get together with our family and friends. So the rest of the video will just show you how to add to your favorites, how to create your groups, and how to make the calls. And it will show you towards the end we call our grandkids, and it shows how clear the picture is and how the coverage is with the camera. And hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends and families. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified of our next videos. And thank you for supporting us. You guys know who you are, and Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year, and hope 2021 will be the best year for all of us. I mean, at least better than 2020. Anyway, so the grandkids doesn't seem to be very enthused with the call, and that's because that would be the third call for the day, and they were just wondering why we're making the call again. But anyway, so you can see how the camera pans. You can see almost the whole house, and we can even see the dad in the background. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for now. And again, Happy New Year!